About a lot of the big movers yesterday. We did have a bunch of them which, saw huge volumes while moving as well in either direction. Hormaz joins in with that list. Hormaz.
Morning, Manglam. And yes, the broader markets were seeing some very huge moves on either direction on very strong volumes. Well, we start off with the hospital names yesterday. They were the ones that were buzzing around, being the sector of yesterday's trading session. You start off with stocks like Fortis, Max Healthcare, Yatharth Hospitals. You take a look at the volumes there as well. Over 1 crore shares traded on Fortis. Max Healthcare, the newest nifty entrant, almost 1 crore shares traded there as well. Yatharth also seeing volumes that were almost 3x of their 20-day average. So very strong volumes. And even on the delivery front, Fortis had nearly 3x of their 20-day average. Max Healthcare, well, nearly almost about in line, and Yatharth too seeing delivery volumes that were almost double of their 20-day average. We spoke about KIOCL yesterday. The stock moved another 20% in yesterday's session as well. So in the last 3 sessions, the stock is up almost 50%, and almost the volumes on Monday were double that of Friday's trading session, when we had more than 2.6 crore shares that changed hands on KIOCL. The 20-day average is just over 16 lakhs. And although despite that, Monday's delivery volumes were lower in comparison to Friday. Now, 16.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of 3 lakhs. And Monday's turnover for KIOCL was 5x of its free float market cap. And that's also because there is no free float in the market whatsoever, because the government has 99% stake in that company. And as a result of which the stock added nearly 6,000 crore to its market cap yesterday. The other one, of course, is Repro India. The stock is now up almost 15% in the last 3 sessions. The Monday's volumes were the total of almost the last 33 sessions put together. We had close to 3 lakh shares changing hands. The 20-day average here is only 10,000 shares, and 51,000 shares out of those were marked for delivery. The 20-day average here is just over 8,000 shares. So it did cross its 100-day moving average intraday, but has cooled off from those levels. So we'll keep an eye out on that 100-day moving average for Repro India at 514.
Right. Hormaz, thanks very much for that. So that's a fairly detailed set of stocks, big movers, and of course what lay behind just the sheer price action that we had yesterday.